Hello stream! Welcome to a very tiresome morning. Half asleep Hearthstone. How are we all doing? Woo! Great stuff. Yeah, let's start the day off by checking our quests. Broken Warrior Victory. Yeah. Paladin Warrior Dominance. Let's go for that. Let's try to win some Paladin games, shall we? Casual mode right now. I don't really trust myself with a ranked game yet, so let's go for it. Start the day off with some Death Rattle Paladin. Might be interesting. I made this one myself. Actually, this one is not a net deck per se. I think it might have been based upon a net deck, and I've been having mild success with it. Although I might experiment with actually using some of the new cards this stream.
Versus Anduin.
Because I don't have any of them in any sort of deck.
With honor.
Fight with honor. There we go. My favorite card, Muster for Battle. I never get Muster for Battle, and what's his name? The guy that ramps them all up. I forget as well. Alright. Blam! Start off with a
Well met.
well met! Very nice. Beautiful.
Greetings.
Oh, he's nice. He gives us a greeting back. Excellent. Made a very strong play of a decent mana curve here, but I don't know. I don't know what you would call it. Against a priest, Eryu, by the looks of things. Never got the hang of a priest. Oh, here we go. That's a decent play, if there ever was one.
For justice.
Fair enough. Now, there's a lot of stuff I've been meaning to talk about on the stream today. I mean, recent news and stuff and things, I guess. I mean, like I said last time I was streaming, that I'm really not good for much of a technical commentary on Hearthstone, since I'm really kind of bad at the game. But, yeah. Apple event coming up. Interesting stuff right there.
For justice.
I mean, when is it? September the 5th or something like that? It should be. Should be quite interesting because, well, they're gonna offer a lot of
Something needs tinkering.
stuff. Ooh, it's actually a mech priest. I actually have not seen a lot of those, to be perfectly honest. Oh. He's buffing the poop out of everyone. So that's something. Alright, so let's just go for you.
Fool.
For justice.
Blam! We're doing a decent job here. We're doing a decent job. So the whole point of this stream, the half asleep Hearthstone, is that I work nights and instead of, you know, being a sensible person and actually coming home and going to bed, I like to stream Hearthstone. Bam! That's not a bad combo. Not a bad combo at all.
Stand ready.
Oh no, see, this is quite interesting. He can lose. Oh,
Well
that's
played.
beautiful. He can lose he can lose a mana crystal, but
Well
not
played.
gain one. That's quite funny. I kind of feel like taking away a mana crystal.
I am sorry.
I am sorry.
Reinforcements requested.
Job's done.
See which one he goes for. I don't really think he'll be dumb enough to go for this one, but you never know. You never know.
Well played.
Well played. Oh, okay. So it goes for getting both of them, I guess. Fair play, fair play. Blame.
Shields up.
This is working out quite well for me so far.
Reporting for duty. Job done.
We're doing alright, we're doing alright. What happened earlier was a very good, it's a very good
Something needs tinkering.
point into how dangerous some of the newer cards can be, because that was a very annoying brand new drop. I mean, it was a really annoying brand new drop because I mean, he lost a whole mana crystal just because of a bad 3-drop
I'll show
from the
I got this.
thing.
The battle.
We've so far only lost 3 HP. It's not bad. It's not bad. Mechanical Yeti. Assume he's gonna he's taking some stuff out. But I still have lethal. So we
Well played.
just go a well played. And for good measure.
Well played.
I got this.
GG, first game won. We can keep it going. Keep it going. Need to win 2 more Paladin games. Do we dare venture into ranked? Do we dare? Do we dare? I think we dare. Let's put a little spice onto it. Let's play some ranked. Let's try to climb the ladder. No one really cares about normal games, really. Well, at the same time though, how much of Hearthstone's players never play ranked?
Uther versus Uther.
I believe there was this
I will fight
statistics
with
about it.
Justice demands retribution.
Beautiful. Another muster for battle that we never used in the last game, so let's keep it for good luck. It worked out quite well for us so far last time. Oh, and we got a Scarlet Purifier. Kind of would have needed the egg again, but fair enough.
Job done.
Oh, a Paladin.
Well met.
Well met. A Paladin versus Paladin.
Well
That's
met.
always interesting. Let's see who is the better Paladin, eh? Oh, he starts with a strong move, much like my one in last game. Oh, I see both muster for battles. That's beautiful. It's kind of not as well. Seems like a bit of a wasted play to me, but
Reporting for justice.
Job done.
alright. By the looks of things, order of elimination, this looks like the same secret we used last game. So, it's not bad. Potogros.
I wonder.
I'm kind of bad at. Oh, hello. Hello. That also works. Why don't we just
My shield for Argon. For justice.
buff two of you?
The battle. The battle. The battle!
There we are. That ought to work. Interesting enough. So, as I was saying earlier, Apple event coming up. Quite an interesting thing. I believe there's a new iPhone coming. Rumors circulating about a new iPad, isn't it? The iPad Pro, something like that.
The breeze!
Sounds actually quite interesting, if you ask me. I'm not the most hardcore of an Apple man. I'm on a Windows 10 right now, but Apple has always had a solid buyer for me when it comes to the iPods, because for me they simply have a better system of working with audiobooks, and I'm a vivid listener of audiobooks.
Reporting for duty.
So that works out very nicely for me. So he's finally got his buff a thing. So why don't we actually just flat out murder something? There you go. There we go. Buff it up to a nice 5. Sorry, bud. Oh!
Reporting for duty.
You see, this is why you
That was a mistake. For justice!
this is why you don't like
Job done.
don't stream Hearthstone half asleep. You don't do it. I'm gonna be the anti-Shia LaBeouf. Just don't do it. Just don't do it. Oh, Seal of Champions. Oh, I've never seen that card before, but fair play, fair play. Here we go. Playmaking galore.
Purged.
Blam. Now give me a
Reporting
quartermaster
for
next
duty.
turn, please. That'd be amazing.
For
That would be
justice.
amazing. So we've got this guy for next turn to heal us up after that damage. So why
The
don't we
battle!
just like
The
blam,
battle! The
blam,
battle!
blam. It's gonna be typical if I get a quartermaster next turn, but I never get them combined anyway. Don't really see why I should care. Ah. Interesting some of the new cards. I might really have to look into. I'm completing quests. Oh, the second concentration.
Reporting for duty.
But why? There you go. That made a lot more sense. Thank you. That made a lot more sense.
Justice.
I don't blame all these.
Justice.
Job done.
Keep the train coming and going along. Anyone else here on a Windows 10? I upgraded just very recently, and I have to say I found much improvement in performance.
Mount up.
Ooh. What
Mount
holster?
up.
Oh! Lordy.
Well played.
Whoa. Well played, sir. Well played indeed.
Reporting for duty. For justice.
Take a little bit of damage. But might as well finish the last of that weapon before we use our True Silver Champion to heal ourselves up again. Not bad. Another secret! Be
Reporting for
mindful of
duty.
it, Jonas. Whoever Jonas is. I feel like this is very hard. Like, this is my first time actually really streaming properly. I did a test stream yesterday, but it's hard to find something to continuously blabber on about. And that is very strange coming from me, because everyone that knows me will agree upon the fact that I jabber like there's no tomorrow. I done goofed! I done goofed.
That was a mistake.
Follow the rule.
For justice.
Weapon ready.
I think we're still good. I think we're still good. We're fine. We're not gonna die. End up flopping over. Yeah. Let's see.
Well met.
Let's see what he pulls out of his hat. Ooh. Yeah, that's an annoying card to get. Oh.
Reporting for duty.
For the. Let's see. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. He's got lethal next turn. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, he's got exactly lethal, and I'm 1 off lethal. So. Bollocks.
Weapon ready.
Okay, now he doesn't.
Justice.
Oh, wait. I forgot I have a heal as well.
Last warning.
I could have survived.
Reporting for duty.
Oh. Well, this is what we're here for, folks. Epic misplays and mistakes and half-asleep stuff.
Follow the rules.
That's right, waste another attack on it. Come on, you
Well
can do it.
met.
Oh, you serious? You
Reporting for
absolutely
duty.
serious?
Reporting for duty. Reporting for duty.
This is an exceptional combo, actually. I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose. Fuck me.
To battle.
Reinforcements requested.
Reporting for duty.
That is
Well
well
played.
played. That is well played. My God. This is why you don't play Hearthstone half asleep. Like, don't ever do it. Don't ever do it, please. I just got myself handed to me. My behind was handed to me. But is he just... Oh, he's just playing with me now. That's not even... Oh my God. Didn't your mother ever teach you not to play with your food? Yay. Just look at
Reporting
this.
for duty.
We're inches away from beating him. Don't suppose he wants to wait 2 other turns.
Please, maybe. Just a little. Maybe.
No.
Well played.
But we fight each game till the end. You know, if he wants to play with his food, let him by all means. There you go. Well played. Puto gross. Was the bane of us. We're almost no longer a Silver Moon Guardian. Oh dear lord. Alright, let's keep going. We've got 11 wins on the Undead Paladin. Because that is... Wow, because that's just so great. Much experience with Hearthstone here. On a self-made deck, playing against people that actually know what they're doing. Woo!
Uther.
Oh, not again! Really?
I will fight with honor.
Okay, fair enough. We get a better starting hand this time. But if we, like, are up against another one of those fancy guys that has everything and that knows everything, no thanks. Nuh-uh. Ay. Waiting on you, buddy. Just waiting on you. Kirjek. There we go. One secret. Two secrets. Yep. Come on, I can hit the middle.
Reporting for duty.
See it. Woo! Everyone saw that, didn't they? Of course they did. Amazing. Blam! Very nice. So we're off to a decent start here in the game. We've got Avenge on the field and a Ruby and Egg. He's got a measly silver hand.
Shields off. Red alert.
Alright, fair play. But we're still in the lead. We can do it. So by the looks of things, he's got the same sort of system going on as I might have. So if we do this, let's just try to bait out the secret with one of those silver hand recruits. Maybe he plucks it off with his own one. We'll see, we'll see. We'll have to see. So, is everyone enjoying the new Hearthstone expansion? I can't really say I've had too much experience with it. I bought like 8 packs when it came out originally last week, and I got the same legendary. Apparently, everyone's been getting the one that takes damage instead of someone else. Or it takes damage instead of me, I mean. And oh wow. There are all the cards. It's just a handlock freaking a mill something. I'm just shouting out words here. I know that checks do and stuff.
To battle!
Good battle indeed.
Job's done.
In hindsight, this probably... Oh yeah. Good job. I was trying to make him walk into my trap, and I openly just walked into his.
Well played.
This is what happens when you... this is what happens when you stream Hearthstone and you are just completely sleep deprived. You have no edge over anything or
I
anyone.
am freed from the curse.
A Maiden of the Lake for a Paladin.
Reporting
That is
for duty.
very interesting. I hate when this happens. When it's... Yo. Come on, give me something that I can use to power up my thing. I need some help. I need to taunt these two guys. I have got 2 cards in my deck that can help me out, but knowing my luck, I'll draw a Quartermaster. So for the first time ever, I'll actually have a Master of Battle and a Quartermaster in the same hand. Never happened before, folks. And I doubt it'll ever happen. See? Oh. Wait. This guy? Yeah. Blam! Epic plays! Sort of.
Job's done.
Here we go, we go. We're back in the game, I guess. We might be. Oh god, we've got 3 secrets. Oh yeah, because we still have Avenge. Oh my goodness. That's quite bad, isn't it?
None of your business.
Wait, what? Holy crackerjack! How is this an actual card? That's OP, man. That is OP. Oh, finally managed to pop our Revenge, which is great. Wait, oh. Booker me. Really? We're gonna pop? Oh, we're gonna pop freaking eye for an eye with only a single person? Well, at least we'll be able to get rid of this one this turn, so, you know. Get out! No, please. No! He's so much better than me! Please, no, please, no, please, no, please, no, please, no. Oh, thank God a little bit, because this is still bad, but...
Reporting for duty.
Come on, now,
Reporting for
just a
duty.
Quartermaster next turn, please. RNG gods, can we get a
For
Quartermaster next turn? I would love one for Christmas. I would love one for Christmas. But, I mean, knowing you probably won't let me. Or that, or he can just, you know, consecrate and completely ruin my chances of getting a Quartermaster.
One day, I'll be a real knight.
No, you won't be. You'll never be a real knight. Get over yourself. Here we go.
Reporting
Losing
for duty.
streak commencing. Much fantastic. Great. See? Exactly. I never get the quartermaster. Never, ever, ever, ever. Never, ever. Alright, let's pump up our health a little bit. He's still got lethal, so you know.
For justice.
Why not just try to kill me with the lake or
Job
something.
done.
Ay, ay, ay. Really? Really? My god. We're not having a fun time here. I believe before we take the next one, I'm gonna have to revisit the decks or something. This is just something. This is the
Reporting for
Murloc
duty.
knife. Wow.
Well played.
We are getting shreked here. This is just awful. I thought I was gonna finish a quest and try to, you know, get stuff going, but I guess we're gonna have to revisit the Undead Paladin if we want to win. Let's see what of the new cards do we actually have. We've got the Warhorse Trainer. All right, fair enough. We've got, what do we have? We've got the Warhorse Trainer, pretty much. Oh my god. Yeah, that's quite horrible. Desperate times call for desperate measures. People don't want to watch, you know, people lose, I guess. Let's take a try hard. See if we can't win any of those fancy new decks with, and my actual try hard deck. Current losing streak sitting at 2 in ranked. We won 1 normal game, but no one cares about that. And of course we get the golden.
I will hunt
Of course
you
we get the
down.
golden goose against us. My. Shouldn't have called this half asleep Hearthstone. Should have called it half a shit Hearthstone. Because we are doing crap right now. But have no fear. Maybe we can win. I've won Golden Heroes before. So, you know. He's one of those guys taking a while picking his cards as well. That's always fun. Always fun. Waiting for hours. Nope. Wait. He's back. He's here. We're all good. Let's give him a
Greetings, traveler. Greetings,
very nice.
traveler.
Oh, he's polite. He's polite. There we go.
Put this apple on your head.
See if we can't make any plays this game. Hunter's probably the only deck worth taking into ranked for me. It is absolutely the only good thing. Oh, okay, a wasted Glaivezooka, sort of. I'll take that, I guess. So I'll have to put the Mentality down so it doesn't kill the other Knife Flusher. Knife Juggler, not Knife Juggler as well. Much English, such wow. Fair play! Guess I'm using my quick shot then. Oh wait, what? Oh, okay, fair play. Sure. Stick with that. I like to keep the quick shot for clearance. And try and, you know. Is a quick shot usually is a decent way of clearing one of those pesky 3 spawn the random, you know, spawn the random beast stuff. But so far I can't really tell what he's got going on for him. Alright, we can push on. It's crap. Well, we got all things off. Ooh, a nice mana curve here. Thanks a lot, little spider thingy called Web Spinner. There you go. I'm much better with the names of things in other games, I guess. I know the items in League fairly. Wait, what? Oh. Desperate move? Maybe? Don't know. But I won't mind if he spawns a few more things in so I can use Unleash the Hounds. Now, for those of you wondering, this is a very, very, very old. It's a very, very old death rattle. No, it's not a death rattle. This is like the slightly newer version of the very old death rattle hunter deck. Jenkins! That's beautiful. But he's actually gotten me down to 9 health with this, which is quite... That's troubling. But at the same time, if we do this... And we do this... And we do this... Wait, we're still good. We're still good. Well played! There we go! First rank win of the day. The losing streak is over, people. Woohoo! We can do it. We can do it. 10 gold. We're rich. We're rich. Let's keep the winning streak going. Hopefully. Come on. You know we can do it. You know we can do it. Rarity colors in order. White is common, blue is rare, purple is epic, and orange is legendary. You know what's also orange? My hair! So, I mean, if you don't mind, you could call me legendary. But if you don't, I mean, I've also got a purple bruise on my knee, so I might be epic. I might only be epic. Oh, here we go again! Another Uther. Can we win an Uther this time? We lost to 2 Uthers earlier. So let's begin. Let's see if we can't do some damage here. Yeah, no thanks and no thanks. My nose itches a lot. Pardon me. Alright, so decent starting hand, Mad Scientist, Iron Begal, and a quick shot. Nothing fancy in this deck as well, because this one is ancient, so it doesn't really have any of the new cards. We're gonna throw him a greetings,
traveler.
because you know, always be nice to strangers and accept their candy and stuff. Isn't that what we're all taught? Yeah. There we go, there we go. He's alive, he's alive. We're not gonna get an AFK, which is very comforting. Oh, they actually, whoa, these changed color. That's kind of cool. Annoying as heck. Sorry. Let's see, what do we get?
Shields off. Red alert.
Oh, the shielded minibot. The shielded minibot. Let's see. Oh, I actually like this more as our first turn 2 drop. If we should draw a knife juggler, would be amazing. So we'll have to see, we'll have to see. So this paladin's name is Uju. Or Uju. Or something. And maybe, if we're lucky, doesn't have as good or as a fancy of a thing, a deck, as all the others. Okay. He didn't go for it, he didn't go for it. Alright, so full for the drop with that one. We'll be able to clear his field anyway. Might go for a little bit of control this game, although that's not what you're supposed to do with this deck. You're supposed to just go in and kill the crap out of them. Let's see, can we hit the middle? 1, 2, 3. Stop telling me about my mana crystals. I know what they are. City Hearthstone.
Let me think.
I'm sorry, but that is just the most annoying thing. I don't know why it annoys me so much, but I just get so peeved off when I hear stuff like Hearthstone. Oh! Now we actually have a reason to use our quick shot. There we go. We're doing stuff. We're dealing damage. It's alright. We can do this. We can do this.
Reporting for duty.
These guys look like they're dancing. Another silver hand recruit. Here we go. What do we got? We got... Yeah, sure. Why not? We're doing okay. We're doing alright, I guess. This one doesn't seem to have any of the fancy cards. Oh my... The worst use of a freezing trap I think I've ever seen in the history of Hearthstone. No one's ever done that before. But,
Reporting for duty.
ooh, fancy. Okay.
Reporting for duty.
Now, let's just be really annoying about this. Just so the fact that he can't clear our piloted Shredder. We'll see where this goes. We'll see how it's going. It's doing good. Oh no. Every time. See, this is the bane of me. I don't actually have, and you're gonna rage about this probably, I don't actually have a consecrate in this. No, this is a hunter deck. Why do I still think, I'm not even playing the paladin deck anymore. But I was playing a paladin deck, and it didn't have consecrate in it. And it was horrible. Oh, that is horrible. I mean, it's, oh, we did it! We did it! We hit the bullseye! Look, everyone, it's amazing. Punch the guy for it. Well, he... Another freezing trap just for one of these. Oh my god, that's so bad. Well, at least he took 4 damage off of that guy. So it's something. We're doing alright, we're doing alright. Let's go. Yeah, that's not as bad. I'm having a lot more luck this time during the stream than I was yesterday, or just during ranked in general. Usually I get massive losing streaks, but you guys,
Put this apple on
you
your
guys are
head.
here. You guys are lucky. You're my lucky rabbit's foot, I guess. If that's what you want to be.
Handle it!
Oh, here we go. Wow, he's got all the plays, this guy. He's got all the combos. Ooh, my beasts have charged. So why don't we pop this guy out here? Oh no, I done goofed! That's what you get for not reading the, yeah, come on. Thank you! There we go. Optimal outcome, I guess. Optimal outcome. It's alright. It happens. Anyone up for another random topic?
My watch.
I upgraded to Windows 10 the other day. Found it was a significant improvement over my performance. Well, not my performance, my computer's performance. My god, it just cleared my whole gosh Sarnian field. But yeah, like... There we go. I believe we've won this. I've been trying out Edge. For instance, I'm running the stream monitor thing off YouTube on Edge right now, and it's been working okay for me. It's not, I mean, I don't know if it's better than Chrome right now. I'm gonna give it a fair go for about 2 weeks, I think, or more, to really just grind through the day using it. I think Windows 10. Oh, did he still actually use Blessing of King? Why? But yeah, well played. Another win for the Warrior. No, I'm not even. No. This is what happens when you're sleep deprived. You don't even know what you're playing in Hearthstone, and you still can win. It's amazing. It's amazing. The world's amazing. So we're going for the 3rd win in a row. We can do it. Come on, let's go. Let's see if there isn't anything good we can get out of this.
Versus Thrall!
First thrall of the day, Kick Moon Shaman. Nice to meet you, Kick Moon Shaman. I'm gonna toss you a well met in a second. Don't believe Shaman's gonna flood the board, but I might be wrong. I might be wrong. Ooh, a coin. Oh, rich. Look at it. I would love to have a coin like that. I mean, that is just... That's a pretty coin. That is a pretty coin. So let's start with Web Spinner. And we'll turn to Haunted Creeper. See what he pulls out. And hopefully we can get the Wombo combo of the thing off. Well, no, I don't want to pull the Wombo combo of it off. So, That's fun. Not gonna kill it for him. I'm not that dumb. I'm not that sleep deprived, I mean. Oh, haunted creeper, copycat. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's not have that. So because I actually don't really need it. Let's just yeah. Look at that. That's pretty good. That's all right. That's not bad. So how's everyone doing today? Considering this is very early in the morning for some people, I'm quite interested to see where. Oh, here we go. Oh, dear Lord, that's less fun than I want it to be. Alright, so I'm gonna have to. Oh, actually, let's get rid of. Wait. We gotta think about this. Because there's. That's just right. There we go. We could do it. There it is. Yeah, we couldn't have put the knife juggler down anyway. So, alright. We're doing good. We're doing okay. Let's strategically think about this. I done goofed though. I should have used the. Never mind. Let's just. This is sleep deprivation at its finest. You don't think about anything. Blam. Oh, we got a piggy. Blam. Suck all of that. Totem. Don't know really what came over me. This is, yeah. You know, oh yeah. Hey Swiss Raven. What's up? I am very tired. But that's the whole point of this stream. I want to be tired. I want to make some plays, per se. I want to try and, you know, do some funny stuff for you guys. Let's see, hang on, what can we do? Oh, yeah, let's go for this one. Come on, give me one of the good ones. That's not one of the good ones, but alright. Come on. We can do it. We can do it. Really? Really? Oh, yeah, that's exactly what we want. That's perfect. That's perfect. My goodness gracious me. We still have board dominance, sort of, I guess. We can Savannah High main next turn. That's gonna be a decent thing to do. So, oh. 4-1, really? That's, Oh, am I? That's, okay. That's interesting. Yeah, I've been testing it out. I did a test stream yesterday, and, I kind of like YouTube streaming. It's been interesting. Get out of here with that extra freaking stuff, you know? Well, I don't know. Like, I came onto YouTube Gaming the day it launched, and I was gonna try and claim Siggles, because I never could get Siggles as a thing on Twitch. But then YouTube Gaming obviously has my YouTube channel, and then all you have to do is switch over to your YouTube channel, and then it just has everything ready for you. So to me it feels a lot more compact and easier to get started with. But at the same time, we're gonna have to see, because there have been some rumors and stuff about people's streams getting closed off because they were singing Happy Birthday during a stream. I read about that somewhere. So copyright laws are obviously always fickle when it comes to making videos or like streams. And so I think we're gonna have to wait and see like how well it plays out for what sort of approach YouTube takes to it, because the Twitch one is obviously where you can stream, and if you have a song that infringes on copyright or stuff like that, they actually mute the stream for half an hour. But so far I haven't really read a lot up on what YouTube's gonna be doing, because obviously when I'm streaming Hearthstone, it's just me chatting and the Hearthstone music and the stuff going on in that sort of background. So I don't think I'll be playing a lot of music per se until I really can get that sort of stuff figured out. But hopefully later on this week I'll be able to test, because I know Hearthstone works. So next on the agenda will be to try and perfect Rocket League streaming and League streaming, I think. I think one of those are like the two things I really want to get into with streaming. Or the two other things besides Hearthstone. So, yeah, welcome one and all. If you're just tuning in recently, this is the Half Asleep Hearthstone stream where I work night shifts on Thursdays, and instead of going home and going to bed, I much rather actually stay awake and, foolishly enough, don't go to bed. Let's see. Does he have lethal next turn? He does not. So we might win yet another. Well, are we on 1, 2, 3? We're on. This should be the third win. Yes, something like that. But yeah, YouTube gaming, definitely a very interesting thing. It's a new platform. I've been excited about it for a long time. And oh god, he has lethal. Oh no! The dream is over, guys. Greetings, my butt. That's not nice. All right, come on, let's spin it back. Let's spin it back. We still have time for at least a few more wins. We can do it. We can do it. Still even haven't finished my quest for today. I had a quest for winning with a paladin, and that's just not been working out for me.
Rexxar versus Jaina.
You asked for it.
I'm hoping to start doing this on a regular basis. Like, I'm hoping to have the Half Asleep Hearthstone thing a regular thing on Friday mornings, because I think it's quite interesting, and just by in itself, the stream and also the social experiment of seeing whether or not I can actually survive with being sleep deprived. I mean, I believe some people have tried that. Now there was a dude that managed to meditate and hello.
Traveler.
There was a dude supposedly like years ago that decided he didn't want to sleep, and so he did like meditation for 2 or 3 hours a night and stuff. So, and he managed to like do just that. I mean, can you imagine just meditating for 3 hours, and that would be just it, and you could wake up and do stuff. I mean, apparently that sounds great, but at the same time, I believe it follows the story that he dies. No, he died around the age of something, like very low. I think he died around, I don't know, age of 40 or something. Wait. I'm trying to read here from you guys some stuff. See what's happening.
I wonder.
Oh, okay. So you have to wait in terms of. You have to wait in terms of like you can't spam the chat. That seems like a pretty interesting trait to me actually, because Twitch obviously has that problem where people will just spam the chat. But at the same time, I guess that because sometimes during a Twitch stream you want to hype something up and everyone spams it in the chat, and that is a lot of fun. But maybe that's not going to be an option then for. That's not going to be an option for the YouTube streaming. Which, I mean, it's not horrible, but I guess that's just YouTube and Google in itself taking, you know, a regular stance to it. You know, you're taking their own stance to it. Here we go. Come on. Can I? No, I can't get a beast. Here we go. Let's just get stuff going. TerraTech. Can't say I've ever heard of that game, but I mean, I'll probably check it out. Yeah, is it on Steam or anything like that? I'm always on the hunt for new interesting games.
What to do?
They are very interesting. Just the sheer magnitude of all the survival games these days. I mean, I would love as well to be able to stream Ark, because Ark is like one of my favorite games right now. But at the same time, my computer is not the best thing in the world, I guess you could say. So, I mean, we'd have to. Do I want to? Yeah. Sure. Let's go for this. Why not? We need to. That way you can draw another card, but at least you won't be able to kill our Sludge Belcher just yet. We can get the Savannah Highmane. There we go. Optimal gameplay. Whoop whoop. Oh, he's got the new tournament. So maybe he's got some tournament cards. Really? A Flame Strike for 2 guys? That seems a little excessive to me. But fair play if you wanna waste your cards. I won't complain. I won't complain. Hoo-wee. Come on. Oh, so that sounds a lot like the game. Oh, no, he sheeped my card. Sounds a lot like a game I used to play that was like free to play on Steam. I remember Robocraft or something it was called. That's interesting. That's interesting. All right, blam. Keep it going. We've got a field advantage, stuff like that. So that's always fun. The dream is back, guys. We can win. I think we can. I think we really, really can. So, you know. Really? Another Flame Strike? He doesn't have, like, oh. Mookla's Champion. That card is interesting. See, like, I gotta get me some of those cards. I gotta actually win and do stuff. Oh, that's so cool! He tosses out bananas! That's really nice. This one, like, yeah, ooh. Because for those of you who don't know, I really, really didn't bother reading up on all the new cards. Really? That's not nice. That's not fun. Get rid of you. There we are. Beautiful. Come to think of it, this was kind of a bad idea. I really should have killed his antique heal bot, because he's going to be able to get the heal bot back with my freezing trap. But, I mean, we'll see what happens. It's not horrible. We've got the field advantage.
The hunter becomes the hunted.
And now we don't. Fair play. I mean, I really, really, really regret this decision right now. But, heck, isn't that what we are here for? Regretting? No, well, I'm here to regret decisions, and you're here to enjoy watching me fail. So that's something. Bye-bye. Alright, come on. 3 damage. Do we go for face? We're gonna have to. Oh, okay. That's not the worst thing in the world. Yeah, it paid off. Look, we might actually win this.
My hand is too full.
Hey, our hand is too full. That's right. That's damn right. You're gonna have to waste a lot of those points if you're gonna throw out that antique heal bot again. Come on, come on. It's gonna cost like 7 or something, I think. So, no, it's a hunter secret, which means, wait, no, it's not from my deck. Yeah, she tossed out. Wait, she had another one? Oh no! We're in trouble now, guys. We're in trouble now. Straight a scientist when there's no real point in getting one. I mean, don't do it now! Took my dog. Although it doesn't really matter. I can just put it down again and alright. We're doing good. We're doing alright. I was trying to say we were doing good and doing alright at the same time, so I just ended up saying we're doing Again, much English, such well. Oh, you guys, oh yeah. Oh, for the love of God. Really? Ragnaros? Now you're just making fun of me. That's no. Hey! I don't have a secret. Wow.
My apologies.
That's such a pathetic play. It really is.
Job's
It
done.
really, really is such a pathetic play. Oh my god. Oh, come on. Which one of you is gonna kill me? Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Let's see if Ragnaros can hit his shit. Come on, Raggy. Let's see you miss. Let's see you miss. And let's see me win next turn. Through some unfathomable reason, I'll win. Come on. I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for it. I'm still waiting for it. Why did you just play that? And he misses! And I get a stampeding code. Why don't we just blam, 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 and blam! There we go! Well played. Back to square one actually. We won a star and we lost it. That's great. That's perfect. We need to keep going. We can't stop on a loss. I'm sorry. Just no. I'm not even gonna. I'm not having it. Not having it. Not having it. We're gonna have to keep going. Worthy opponent every time. I guess.
Rexa versus
Guess you're supposed to get
Gul'dan.
Leo. Oh my god, we got a Leo.
Let the hunt begin.
That's just, oh, okay. So kind of a perfect starting hand, I guess, or what can be considered one. I was really hoping to be able to open some decks today or stuff and things, but don't know. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. We have to win this guy. We have to win this game, guys. We can't stop now. No. We can't go out on a loss. No, we can't. No, we can't. Oh, we get the coin as well. Alright, fair play. Fair play. Some nice cozy music from the Hearthstone area. Alright. Fair play, fair play. I believe turn 4 we're gonna get Lothab out. Because the Warlock always has some nasty tricks up his sleeve, doesn't he? Some nasty, nasty tricks. Alright, or we could coin out the random beast. Should we? Yeah, let's do that. Oh, and we gain from it some nice face damage. Alright. I am like entering delirium here. I'm so tired. Really? Demon Wrath? That's not nice. Fun thing to do. Silly people. Silly Leo. Alright. Let's get another random topic of conversation going. Because, you know, as always, my Hearthstone commentary is just beyond imagining. It is just the height of everyone's day, I guess. Because I'm so good at Hearthstone. My goodness. Alright. Let's see. What's interesting? Steam. There's a whole bunch of stuff going on with Steam these days. feel like we always keep hearing about all the stuff that they're gonna do and use with Steam. You know, the platform and all that stuff. Surely he is he just a permanent 6/6 now? That's a lot less fun. No thanks. I feel like we're always hearing about, you know, the Steam boxes and all that stuff, but there's never really anything. It gets like advertised and stuff all over Steam, but never seems to get an update for it, which is a bit strange to me. I guess I'm really interested in getting one of those like Steam boxes. No, not the Steam boxes, the Steam links, I believe they're called, so that I can just stream games from the Steam over to my TV, which would be really awesome. But what can we do here? Just load that and straight to the vid. Come on, I really need a win here, guys. I don't want to lose again. I don't think we could take it. Come on. Oh, really? Shucks howdy. That's a lot less fun than let's start with this then. Let's blammo.
Can't do
There we go. Optimal outcome, I guess, as optimal as it can get. Come on. I think we can win this, guys. We've got 20 HP. He's got some tricks up his sleeve, but at the same time,
Why do you go?
I'm not doing that. I'm not doing too badly. I'm trying to restrain the urge to yawn every time it happens. Don't want you guys to have to just look down my gob and see all the horrible things there. Like the negligible breakfast I had this morning, my god. So what I'm curious about is what time it is for people that are watching. Oh, there we go. Hey, took the bomb away. That's great. No. Yeah. Because obviously for me it's early on in the morning, but I'm interested to see where people are.
Low. Can't do it.
Yes, you can. Just do it. Just do it. Come on. He's got 8 health. We've got 15. We can do this. We can do it. If we believe in our heart. Come on. You know you want to. Just boom out this guy. You might be able to kill the piloted shredder. Don't do anything.
I wonder.
You don't.
Face Jaraxxus,
Really?
the Lord of the Burning Legion.
Really? We get Jaraxxus. That's beautiful. And it goes to our face. That's beautiful. And he kills the thing. Alright, oh, he took the damage. Ooh. Spill the marge. Wait, does he count as a minion? No, he doesn't. Alright, fair play. Kinda should have stuck with this one. Kept it stealth, but I thought it was the mini mage for a second, but it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. I believe we can still win. He can't clear, and he's gonna summon an infernal maybe, but he can't attack this turn. He's already gone through both of his normal taunts, so we might be able to do something. Whatever he's...
I bring life.
No! Why? Why, God, why? 8,
You face
9, 10,
Jaraxxus,
11.
the Lord of the Burning Legion.
Yes, I do face Jaraxxus. Can I silence this minion? Yeah. He's got lethal with them bananas as well. Oh, that's not fun. That's not fun. This guy was just chock full of legendaries. Oh my god. It's way more, like, I've got...
Why do you go
Wait, how does he still have one of these? My god, why are you buffing your taunt guy? Are you just playing with me now? I believe he's just playing with me. Well... Oh no, he's just clearing. That's just what he's doing. I am getting cheesed so fucking hard. Yeah, that's what happened. I know I faced Jaraxxus. Way! We done turned it around, guys. No, we didn't. It's just fan-frickin-tastic. Fan-frickin-tastic. So some random clicking. I'm changing the settings on my keyboard. Come on, finish me off. Jeez.
Jaraxxus, Elenor, Lord of the Burning Legion.
There we go. We've just been bumped down to 16. Playing ranked in Hearthstone has actually just gotten us down the ladder. Come on, we need a win. I need a win. I can't quit on not a win. We need stuff to happen. Come on, we can do it. Please. Where's my accent from? Well, I live in Iceland and I've like born and raised here, but I am a weird case in
You asked for
the
it.
sense that
The hunt begins.
I sort of removed my Icelandic accent and then I have a slight British one, but I kind of don't. It's weird. I sort of tend to adopt accents. So let's say if you were from Australia and I would hang out with you for a day or two, my English would start to sound a lot more Australian. And the same thing goes for, you know, British English, American English, whatever it is. And it can be fun, but it can also be a little bit annoying because sometimes if you hang out with a person that you do enjoy hanging out with, your English suddenly just starts sounding really different, and then if you speak with anyone else, they are just like, what? What's going on?
I am ready.
Here we go. Xavier. No, it's not. It's Zalier. Or whatever. Come on. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's happening. We can do this. I hope. I really don't think we can do this, but I'm hoping. Oh! You were in Iceland? That's pretty amazing. Iceland's a fun place. It's a fun place. And it's definitely not a bad place to visit. I mean, I highly recommend it. Come on, I live here. That has to say something about the place. I can't do it. I can't make like these cocky jokes. They're just not me. My jokes are more bad pun based. They sort of have to be because yeah, puns are my thing. Here we go. Come on. Secret sauce. Fair enough. Means we're gonna get to pop this guy with him, probably. Come on. Let's see. Turn 4. We might even be able to bump this guy up even some more for some more damage. Hey! Someone laughed at least. Jeez Louise. McCheese. So right, so this is a mech mage.
Ready.
Now I actually have a mech mage and I thoroughly enjoy playing it, but the problem with me thoroughly enjoying playing certain things is the fact that is the simple fact that I'm pretty bad at making decks. And so when I make a deck, that's something. So when I make a deck, it might look okay to me, but it might do horrible in ranked, for instance. No, don't frostbolt my thing! What are you doing? There you go. You're not gonna freeze me this turn. And we can sludge belcher next turn, so that's we're still doing okay. But we were doing okay before freaking Jaraxxus came along and penetrated our noose. Really? It's just like just all you have? No, there you go. First spell of the Mech Mage. Very important. To take time to rest. You know, I'm really hoping not to get cheesed so fucking hard. This game, I would love it if I could not get cheesed. Alright. What else is there? What else is there interesting to talk about?
Let the dark consume.
There's this. There's 80s. I actually remember watching this. The fact that Oa and he put stealth on it, really? Alright, that's a lot less fun. No thank you. No thank you. But yeah, like 80s. That's a sort of an Icelandic name, and then she has a sister called something else. And there was I just found it immensely funny the fact that someone was trying. There was someone trying to do, like, say the other part's name in English, and it really didn't work out. It's a lot like, you know, because some of you might remember that a few years ago that there was a volcano that exploded in Iceland and basically closed all air traffic over Europe. It was hilarious trying to see, you know, like, people on the BBC or stuff like that try to say the word Eyjafjallajökull. It was, yeah, it's quite hilarious actually. Not enough, man. Well played indeed. David Blatton, sæll blessaður, which is how do you do in English? No, in Icelandic. See, oh my god, I'm so no. Brain not working right now. How you doing, David? You doing all right? Hey, yeah. See, there you go. You guys got it. Oh, we got the beast. I got the beast in my sights. Why don't we actually let's go for Sven, I mean, because full on steam ahead. Let's do this. Let's do it. Come on. All right. Good to see that everyone's doing good. Oh, please no. Okay, that's good. We're okay. I really want to win, guys. Yeah. There we go. Let's get rid of this guy over here. Blam. 4 health. Let's see you turn this around, Mech Mage. Whoop whoop. Alright, we might be able to go out on a win today, guys. Oh. This has to be my favorite thing. I actually temporarily put this as the thing on my phone. No! How did he just turn this around? How did he just do it? I see. No, I kind of have to do the arrow thing. Oh, you see, now he's only got 1 health. He's only got 1 health. We're alright. We're doing okay.
Something
right.
needs tinkering?
Just say abracadabra and he's dead. Have you not seen the joke about it when Voldemort and Harry Potter are fighting and he just goes abracadabra and turns Harry into a rabbit and Harry's like, no you idiot, it's abracadabra, and actually kills him. So that's quite funny. I always laughed at that one. Woohoo! We managed to go on a win. Tell you what, we're gonna go for 1 more, I think. 1 more. See if we can't get back up to 15 and basically start next stream on square one. We've tried to advance up in ranks, but yeah, maybe.
Rexxar!
I don't know that I do a lot of hand movements, and because the camera is sort of restricted around my face, I don't know if you guys are seeing it. So be sure to let me know. Be sure to let me know if you're not seeing stuff that's happening like off screen, and I'll try to more center my hands around my face. You know, all right. Pretty decent, actually quite a decent hand to start off with. We've got a sick Kotick, a sick priest. My, I believe the world has known a few of those.
Greetings, traveler.
Greetings, traveler.
Greetings.
Oh, he greets us back. So, away with that thing. Don't want it. Don't fucking want it. No sinks. No sinks. So, Swiss Ribbon in the chat. I'm wondering what time is it for you right now, for instance? Like, where are you in comparison to Iceland? Because yeah, wait, let's put this thing first. No, you're not drawing a card. Not having that. No way. Nah. Because right now we're hitting about 10 p.m. in the morning here. Been streaming for just over an hour, and I think, yeah, it's been, oh dear God, I regret this decision right away. But why? But why? But why? Oh, okay, so you're not that, you're 2 hours you're 2 hours ahead. So that's okay, so that's not bad. That's not bad.
Put this apple on your head.
Come on, let's see if I can RNG the crap out of
Put this
this.
apple on your head.
There we go. There we go. Beautiful. That's what you call a play right there. Woohoo! No, please don't. No, please. Don't do it. Don't take my things. This is why I can't have nice things. Oh my God, yeah, two of them? Oh.
If I roll need.
Let's go for the piloted shredder. I'm gonna kill this thing because he might. Felon's chosen it again. I'm not even taking the chance with that one again. I got lucky the first time. So 6 drop Bluffin Raptor and Houndmaster unless we get the Savannah Highmane. Obviously one of the better cards I have in this deck. Early Face Hunter. You know the dealio. This is how Hearthstone usually works. Go face, unless you have a control warrior or anything like that. Come on, can we get the Eternal Stream? No. No. I heard rumors about this little plot thing right there. When I started playing Hearthstone, it said that you could, if you do it enough times, a cake pops up. It's supposed to have like a really nice effect or something. But I've never actually seen that happen. There we go. What program do I use to stream this session? I'm using OBS actually. I've used OBS before to sort of stream, but that was when I had really bad internet connections. So OBS is a really simple thing. I mean, YouTube as a live streaming thing actually offers you a really nice, like, oh, I thought it was trolling for a second. But yeah, YouTube offers a really nice sort of tutorial or, like, you know, quick tips about what you need to do before you stream. It shows you programs that have been sort of approved by YouTube, but obviously you can use whatever you want as long as it works and does what it's supposed to do. I mean, I got introduced to OBS through YouTube, and it works really great. It works really well. Really well. Here we go. Time for another sip of water. For my giant 1 pint Cobra premium beer glass that has probably never seen beer into it, at least not in the time I've had it.
Consider.
Because I'm a heavy drinker. I really can't stand beer. And a lot of people don't get that. All minions cost 1 more. No, don't do that. Why did I get a Mana Wraith? That's just, no, that's not fair. Come on, get wrecked, priest! I need 1 more win. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it.
Must consider.
Must consider. Come on. Don't take forever. Yes! Beautiful! Oh, that was beautiful! Yes, 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 yes. Oh, that's lovely. Oh my god. Oh, that made my day. Oh my god, that made my day. Holy shit. Great! We can go out on a double win, guys. That works for me. Alright. Swiss Ribbon here in the chat. Thanks. What internet connection do you have? Because I think my connection will not be enough to stream. Well, I tried streaming with like less than a megabyte per second to upload speed. I now believe I have around 20. I've got the usual 100 megabytes per second download, and I think I've got... No, wait, I've got not 17. I've got 70. I've got 70, you know, for uploads and stuff like that. So, yeah, Swiss Ribbon, sorry. Thanks for joining us. I believe I'm not going to risk it. We've been streaming now for about an hour and a half. It's been a great session. We went out on 2 wins. And, yeah, thanks for tuning in. I believe tomorrow I might try and stream some Rocket League. So, thanks for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!